God, this is delicious. Thank you, Mom.
Mike. What's up,
Boss man?
Yeah, I was trying to get some new movies going. What do you got for me?
Actually, I was gonna get to that right after lunch. See, I'm eating my delicious shit.
You know what? Chicken is for winners.
That was my lunch!
You better have a movie next time I see you.
God, this chicken is delicious.
So Mike, you got any new movie ideas?
Actually, I haven't gotten any right now because I was eating my lunch, and,
Chicken is for winners.
but I still have my
You better
chicken.
have a movie when I come back.
But I still have the chicken.